Hello, we'll be making this simple hairband. So let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glow Up with Ify, and today we'll be making this lovely hairband. It's very simple to learn, so we'll have to do it together because I want you to do it yourself. So this is the fabric that I'm using. Is a stretchy one, so you have to get a stretchy material. So this is not that stretchy anyway, but it came out nice. So you get any material that is stretchy and that is beautiful, as you know that we want to use it for a hairband. Now we'll need the length and the width. The length we'll be using is 22 inches. We'll be making use of 22 inches. Then the width will be 8 inches. 22 by 8 inches. That is what we'll be making use of. It's just one. We'll be making use of just this. So next we have to fold it right side facing each other. As you can see what I'm doing, just follow what I'm doing, you get it. It's very simple to make. Now you take it to your sewing machine and sew just half an inch. You sew through, you sew down. So I'll show you what it looks like after sewing. So this is it. I've already done that. I just used half an inch for the sewing. So you now turn it to the front, to the right side. So that is what I'm doing. You turn it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and also share, like and comment. So this is it. So when you are through turning it to the right side, this place that they join, this is how you are going to place it and iron. Just iron. So that joining will be in the middle. Okay, so you iron it well. You iron it. So after you might have ironed it, you flip it over. As you can see what I just did now, you flip over, then you bring the two sides together. You bring the two sides together. Just try and follow what I am doing so that you don't make mistake. So you bring the two sides together. I'm showing you again. So you bring the two sides together, then you move one side outward. After getting the two sides, you move one outward. So that one that you moved outward, you use it to wrap the other one backward. Then the next one will be forward like that. I hope you understand. I'm opening it up again for you to see it. Okay, so you move this a bit forward, just half of it, then you take it backward, then you bring the other side, you bring it forward. So that is it. Then you take it to your sewing machine to sew. Just use half an inch, is okay. You go and sew. So this is it. I'm through with the sewing. So we have to turn it to the right side. Actually, you can really make like 2, 3, 4, 5 of this at a go. It's very, very simple. So you turn it, make sure that the sewing is not showing. You make sure it is not showing. So we have our hairband ready. We have our hairband ready. So Thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and also share to people you feel that needs this tutorial. Okay, so that is how it will look like, and this is how it looks on me after arranging. You just have to adjust and make it neat. When you put it on your head, you see the beauty. Yes, so that is that. So in our next video, we'll be sharing again how to make another style of hairband. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.